Hello everybody, today is Friday, April 28th. It's 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The regular session for the futures markets just closed a few minutes ago. On my left is the time and sales for the E-mini S&P, currently trading at 2381.75. We had a modest day in performance for the auto trader. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is a line break chart, which has been the topic of discussion recently. We had a stellar short trade here on the 30-year Treasury bond on the 150-tick line break chart. This is our line break signal, these dots, and we got filled at the close of the bar. This is a limit order at the close of the bar minus a tick. And anyway, this is where it got filled. Fantastic exit utilizing our trail stop, which is probably right here at the volatility stop. So this was at our volatility stop after 20 ticks. Our first target is 6 ticks and then 10 ticks, and then we're trailing a third contract. And so this kicked in, obviously. This was our 10 tick level, and this went another 10 ticks or so and then got stopped out here. So we hit our goal, I believe, of 1500 and probably had some slippage at the end. So all in all, a very solid performance on the 150 tick line break in the 30-year Treasury bond. So this is our long-standing Renko 6-tick chart on the bonds. This is trading only 2 contracts, and interestingly, the line break chart, which is a little faster chart than this Renko 6-tick, the line break chart caught the short here. This did go, actually this went long and then was quickly stopped out right here. And then we caught the long trade, and that gave us 1281 on 2 contracts. Next up, we have the crude oil on a precision Renko chart, 6-tick, 150% reversal. This is using our line break algorithm. We had half a dozen trades or so, a mixture of winners and losers, but we did 760. This is only trading 2 contracts. Note the signals from the indicator combined with the line break signals gave you pretty good guidance if you were trading via discretion. Okay, the 30-year Treasury again on a 5-tick precision Renko bar with a very modest gain of $406. Next, we have the crude oil on our Super Renko 6-tick that starts trading at the open of the session. This one is not the one with the line break algorithm, but our regular volatility algorithm. This is using a limit order, so mind you, there is no slippage. Limit order at the close of the bar minus a tick, and you can see our fill here just a tick below the close of the bar. We have a pretty short profit target to get out. Most of these trades, pretty good entry and exit. I mean, you just really can't do much better than this manually. So this one doing 800 on 2 contracts on about 9 or 10 trades. So people have asked me, you know, do you have losing charts? And the answer is yes. A lot of times the losers are small. This is the 500 tick line break on the crude oil. This one only end up with a net loss of $20 for the day. Our YM had a minuscule loss at $95. Our 377 tick line break chart lost $125. The DAX on the Super Renko lost 175. So, you know, we often don't show the losers, but that doesn't mean that it went to a full stop out. This is the Super Renko 6-tick on the crude with the line break algorithm. This was only down 360 on 2 contracts. That's only 180 per contract. Not a big deal. Okay, the Super Renko 6-tick on the E-mini S&P had one short trade, and this did 500 for the day. Mind you, 500 is 40 ticks in the E-mini S&P. Sometimes when we have just a small gain of $100 or so, I don't even bother to show it, but this is the 5,000 tick line break chart, and this had 2 trades and did $100 here. That's 2 points in the E-mini S&P. Another loser here on the crude. The crude oil and just a straight 500 tick chart lost 380 today on a mixed bag of trades. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us at bluewavetrading.com or send me an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.